question number 6 asks us to calculate the volume in milliliters of 25x TAE buffer required to make 5 liters of 1x TAE buffer. Record the correct amount rounded to 1 decimal place. So this question, it's asking us to do 3 things. The first thing it's asking us to do is to make 5 liters of 1x TAE buffer from a 25x stock. Step 2 is going to be to find how many milliliters of the 25x stock to use. And then step 3 is going to be to round to 1 decimal place. So the rule we use here is our dilution formula, which is C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2. So C1, or concentration 1, is 25x. V1 is what we need. C2 is going to be 1x. And V2 is 5 liters. So we simply plug in and then we just solve for V1. So now that we have V1 in liters, we need to convert this to milliliters. 0.2 liters times 1,000 milliliters over liters equals 200 milliliters. And then we need to do step 3, which asks us to round to 1 decimal place. So that is our final answer, 200 milliliters of 25x TAE stock.